Hello and welcome to our review of the Acer Aspire ES-11. In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the budget-friendly laptop from Acer. The Acer Aspire ES-11 is a slim, lightweight laptop weighing in at just 1.25 kg. It is designed for people who are always on the go and need a device that can keep up with their active lifestyle. Let's start with the design. The Acer Aspire ES-11 has a silky modern look with a texture finish that gives it a premium feel. The laptop features a 11.6-inch HD display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, which is perfect for streaming videos and browsing the web. The keyboard is comfortable to type on and the touchpad is responsive and accurate. Under the hood, the Acer Aspire ES-11 is powered by an Intel Celeron N3060 processor, which is a dual-core processor clocked at 1.6 GHz. It also has a 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of eMMC storage, which may seem limited, but it's perfect for basic tasks like browsing the web, checking on emails, and working on documents. In terms of performance, the Acer Aspire ES-11 delivers a smooth and responsive experience for basic tasks. You can easily switch between multiple tabs and applications without any lag or delay. The laptop also comes with Windows 10 Home pre-installed, which provides a user-friendly interface and seamless integration with Microsoft Service. In terms of connectivity, the Aspire ES-11 comes with an aux slot, a USB 3.0 jack, a headphone jack, and a SD card reader. For audio delivery, underneath we have the two speaker grids that produce a good sound quality. The other side we have the HDMI port, two combo USB 3.0, Ethernet cable slot for internet connectivity, and an AC charging slot for power supply. The Aspire ES-11 has a battery life up to 8 hours of use, which is impressive for the laptop of its price point, which means you can use it for a whole day without worrying about the battery life. So, in conclusion, the Aspire ES-11 is a budget-friendly laptop for people who need a device that is reliable for basic tasks, as it is lightweight, portable, and delivers a smooth performance for everyday use. If you are on a tight budget and looking for a laptop that keeps up with your active lifestyle, the Acer ES-11 is definitely worth considering. That's it on our review of the Acer Aspire ES-11. If you find this video helpful, please leave it a like, subscribe to our channel to get more tech reviews and tutorials. My name is Mohamed Fofana. Thanks for watching. Yorosco nagaisimat. Sukran lakum, and I will see you in another video. Peace.